Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Eclipse Luna. In order to download Eclipse Luna, go to this link of eclipse.org. At the right hand side of this website, download links are given. Click on Windows 32-bit if your system supports 32-bit OS, or click on Windows 64-bit. Now click on this link to download Eclipse zip file. After downloading has been completed, then extract the zip file and go to the setup folder of Eclipse. Now click on Eclipse application file. Now click on run. If you find this error, it means that Eclipse Luna only support JDK 1.7 or JDK 1.8. It doesn't support JDK 1.6 or other lower version. So you need to download JDK 1.7 or JDK 1.8. Now click on Eclipse application file. Click on run. If you find this error, then go to the JDK installation folder and copy JRE folder and then paste here. Now click on Eclipse application file. Again click on run. Browse a workspace folder of your choice or select by default workspace given by Eclipse. Now click on OK button. Cut this welcome page. Now go to the File menu. Inside File menu, select New and then select Java Project. Type project name and then click on Finish button. In this way, we can download, install and create a Java project in Eclipse Luna.